Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful sleeve design by means of different stitches. Let's start. First of all, we're gonna join lace with the cloth with single stitch. Now set up the machine for the 0-2 stitch. I'm using this configuration because I like that. For better finishing, I'm utilizing a paper underneath. Now set up the machine for stitch number 20. Now make 2 pin tucks. Now select 60 number stitch, for which we need n number of boot. I already make a video on how to change the boot in past. I will copy the link below. This is the final result. If you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and have a great day.